Now, you might not know exactly what you're looking at on the screen right here, but this is Etherscan, and I am about to show you a massive purchase of what could become one of the greatest base tokens out there. Now, of course, you're wondering, why would you be showing me Etherscan right now, talking about a base token and so on? Well, we're going to jump into that in a second, so if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Claybro, and yes, we are looking at Etherscan right now, and I'm going to show you a 62.3 Ethereum, a $191,656.59. Don't forget that 59-cent buy of a major pre-sale. If you guys haven't seen Dogeverse yet, you absolutely need to check this pre-sale out. Not only is it about to reach the hard cap, not only is it about to launch, you've got some major whales jumping in at the very end, or I guess closing stages of this pre-sale. Now, if you guys do find yourself interested in buying, please make sure to utilize the affiliate link that's in the description below. There are a lot of scam websites out there, and you know what, honestly, if you just go out and Google Dogeverse, one of the first ones that pops up, the dogeverse.com, and it's spelled wrong, right? So please don't go out there and Google it and try to find it on your own or anything like that. If you do, you're very, very likely to run into scams, because of course you can see purchases like this. 62 Ethereum heavy. But you're saying, dude, that's Ethereum. Don't you know the difference between Ethereum and base tokens? Well, yes, I do. Look here, you can buy it with Ethereum, right? But you can also buy it with BNB, Matic, Avalanche, Base, and Solana. You can buy on all of these blockchains, and you're going to be able to claim on all of these blockchains. Doge goes multi-chain. Buy and claim Dogeverse on any of these chains right here. It doesn't end there, though, guys. Not only are you going to be able to buy it, you're going to be able to use a multi-bridge utility, which allows you to seamlessly be multi-chain in just a few clicks with minuscule gas fees to worry about. What Dogeverse is building here is a multi-bridge, multi-chain platform. And if you guys are unfamiliar with bridges, this is one that I have used before, D-Bridge. You can easily move over from the Ethereum network to the Polygon network. You can move over from the Base network, USDC coin, over to the Solana network if you would like. That is what bridges do. And that is what I would imagine. Look, I don't have contact with this whale. I have no idea why they bought. I have no idea what their intentions are. Clearly, nobody does, right? They're the only ones that know. But building a multi-chain bridge that could seamlessly integrate into the meme coin community, think about the potential use. If meme coin traders actually embrace Dogeverse, if meme coin traders use Dogeverse as their go-to bridge platform, think about the demand and how much this token could soar. Now, I have my own expectations, right? I know a lot of pre-sale traders, they are, look, guys, I'm just going to call it like it is, man. A lot of pre-sale traders are crybabies, okay? As soon as the token launches, they get nervous. They begin to sell off. And then those who actually believe in the token and in the project are left. And they're the ones who receive the spoils. They're the ones who see the gains. So as people are kind of shaken out in the early stages and the volatility of launch days subsides, this is what people are looking forward to right now. If you go out and Google Dogeverse, don't click on any of those links, but you can read the headlines here. It says crypto traders are saying this new meme coin could 100x in 2024. What do you know? It's Dogeverse. Pepe surge signals meme coin comeback, but low cap assets like Dogeverse steal the show. Guys, Dogeverse is being mentioned everywhere, and people are beginning to get the idea in their head that a 100x increase is possible. Now, I don't know, right? Nobody knows what the future brings. Nobody knows just how high Dogeverse is going to go, but let's think about it for a second. With a $17 million hard cap, splitting money in between these top 6 blockchains here, filling liquidity pools on each one of these networks, Dogeverse is going to be available to everyone out there. There are very, very few active blockchains where you are not going to be able to access Dogeverse, to trade Dogeverse. And the marketing of this project has been incredible so far. A lot of people know about Dogeverse. The only question that needs to be answered: will meme coin traders embrace it? If they do, I am extremely excited about the potential demand surge that you could see simply in the usage of the multi-chain bridge. Now, maybe you're not interested in trading Dogeverse, but you are interested in more of a longer-term investment. Right now, you can have 72% annualized passive income simply by staking your Dogeverse. Now, that is completely up to you if you guys do want to do that, but know that the longer you wait, the more this reward rate could go down if more people stake their Dogeverse. 22 billion Dogeverse staked at the moment. The reward rate is dynamic, which basically means that as new people begin to stake, you have to slice that pie into more and more pieces. You slice the pie into more and more pieces, your piece is going to be a little bit smaller. So the earlier you do stake, the higher your rate of return could be there. And it is very, very simple to buy. You're simply going to connect your wallet. After you choose which wallet and which way you want to connect, you're going to come out there and just like that guy did. Oh my gosh, I can't believe he typed 62.3 Ethereum. You're going to be walking away with 607,591,150 Dogeverse. You are going to be stacked at that point. An incredible holding. Now, you don't have to do it with Ethereum. Like I said, you can come out with BNB, Matic, Avalanche, Base, and Solana as well, loading up on your Dogeverse here. Now, why do I mention Base tokens, right? Base tokens are one of the most actively traded blockchain tokens right now. Base and Solana are absolutely soaring in terms of meme coin trades. With Dogeverse being available and tradable on both Solana and Base, it could be gearing up to soar to heights that we haven't seen a meme coin or a pre-sale do in a very long time. The thing that I'm most excited about, in full disclosure, I do own Dogeverse, right? I'm not the guy that went out there and dropped 62 Ethereum, but I do own what I would consider a lot of Dogeverse. Now, that should not sway your decision in any way. But I truly believe if these guys build a bridge, and if they're able to capture the meme coin world and utilize that bridge, the sky is the limit, right? There's no stopping or no telling how high Dogeverse could go. So let me know what you guys think about it. Let me know what you think about that 62 Ethereum purchase down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.